Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Messenger to Instagram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, you have to give the login details and log in. Now on the screen, you can see your old conversations that create new messages at the top right corner, and at the top left corner a hamburger menu. Tap on it, then you're gonna find settings. Under settings, you have to scroll down and find account center. Under account centers, you're gonna see profiles and connected experiences. Tap on profiles, then right below your Facebook account you can see add accounts. Tap on add accounts, and below that you can see the Instagram account popping up. Select the Instagram account you want to connect and tap on continue. Now all you have to do is select yes, finish adding, and guys, that's it. That's how you connect Messenger to Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.